G'day and welcome to the Robotinker. Today we were going to be doing an unboxing, but well, it's not really an unboxing since I just couldn't wait to open this parcel once it arrived. But I'm going to be showing you something amazing. Something that my buddy Campbell from Kiwi GI Customs made, and it's just freaking awesome. So, without further ado, I present to you, all the way from New Zealand, a one-of-a-kind Kiwi GI Custom figure. Meet the Robotinker. How great is this? It's me, but it's a cyborg. I love it so much. So Campbell actually filmed the process of making this figure. I'll put a link to his video and his channel in the description. Do go check it out. He does some really great work, obviously. So basically, Campbell kit bashed Robotinker out of a bunch of G.I. Joe and other O-ring figure parts. I am so amazed that he happens to have a head that looks pretty much exactly like me. When he asked me which head sculpt I prefer, I was like, dude, this is basically perfect, even down to the hat. It's uncanny. I did tell him that he needed to ginger up the beard a little, and he nailed it. Making him a cyborg was a very fitting idea, I thought, as well, since the first ever custom figure I made was this Duke cyborg, which I creatively named Cyberduke. Now the antenna eyepiece thingy is removable. Now, I couldn't help but wince when Campbell melted a hole into my head on video, but it looks so good, it was well worth the lobotomy. I mean, look at it. It's me. I love the holographic chest piece too. It's so cool. Being a cyborg has its benefits too. For example, his robot hand can be swapped out with the other accessories in the backpack. We have the chainsaw attachment. Great for the winter time. Cutting up firewood or, enemies. The rocket launcher attachment is just so badass. Look at it. And here we have the final attachment. This is a plasma cutter / welding attachment, because Campbell knows that I am a welder by trade, so I think this is the absolute coolest. And all the accessories are stored in this backpack, which is also removable. So yeah, there's a little bit of hidden detail there. Man, this is so cool. Campbell, thank you so much for this. The fact that you went to so much effort to make a custom of me is mind-blowing. And this figure is something that I'm going to cherish, mate. It will be proudly front and center in my collection. To everyone else watching, if you haven't checked out Campbell's channel, please do. He has some great work on there. I hope you've enjoyed this in-depth look at Robotinker. I know I certainly have. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, give the old algorithm a tickle. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Yo Joe!